I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right.
See whether we can check in. So we're already here in the hotel. My husband's checking whether the room is ready. So this is the reception area, the entrance, and I think the place for their breakfast. And they have garden, and then this is the front, guys. So for breakfast you can sit here. You can see the front sea view. The view is the sea view. That's what I'm telling you guys. So on my left is where we arrive. So that's the place where we arrive, and then on the right side, guys, there's a beach there.
Is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with.
Let's explore. I like the ambience of this hotel. Looks neat. The dining area, I think that's the kitchen. And then so downstairs is the toilet. So this is the reception area. Then later we're gonna see whether how's the room. We have Sansevieria in front.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. and ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Alright, so I'm gonna tour you for a quick tour in our room. It's orange color, not blue.
Way back a year
So white
ago.
and orange. So they have this big bed here, one page down there, and then one vanity mirror and desk that I can place the water. Then we have fridge here.
It's working, he said to...
It's working now? Or must on? Then let's see the view here. Okay, so our view is the side view, not the front, not the sea view. Baby, why the... It's like that. Like that. So that's the view, guys. It's the side view of the hotel. So they have one blow dryer there, towels, pillows, and here's the toilet. So there's one cute toilet here. Curtains. Then a mirror, and then which is clean. Yeah. Here in front of the toilet there is a locker for the clothes with hanger. So the room is really cute, just enough. We all have the basic here. This is the outlet. Two. There's two outlet here. Then one here. More, but there on that table don't have. Okay, my husband is charging already. You're gonna drop your phone. Okay, I'm so haggard already, guys. We're gonna freshen up. We're gonna take shower. It's still early. It's only 1:20 p.m.
Stop this, I have phone.
Okay, my husband has program and then he's going to tell me the program for today. So, it's already 1:20.
No need to take shower. Go for swimming.
Go for swimming there.
Near
There.
The other. Near.
Oh, the near.
Don't take shower.
So haggard. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go swimming. We're gonna charge for a bit and then we're gonna go swimming already.
Yeah, but charge now.
I'm gonna show you the balcony, guys. I haven't stayed to like that. Okay, thanks. So, okay, so here's our view here in the balcony. We have 2 chairs here. Actually, the balcony is really very small, so just enough for 2 chairs. And this is the view here. We are in the side. Actually, the rooms is actually at the side of the hotel. So we are in the side. So this is the side view of the hotel. So it has plenty of rooms to let here, even at the side. And I think it's all occupied because, as you can see, the clothes are hanging outside to dry. Actually 2 bedside table, 1 here and 1 there, and that's the door going out in.